Welcome to AllAccessTrip. Today we're going to show you how to book your flight tickets using our travel platform. You can pay with your bank card or credit card. If you're using a laptop, you'll see everything on a large screen. If you're using a phone, the layout will be a bit different due to the smaller screen size, but don't worry, the process is just as easy. If you're a first-time user, the first thing you need to do is create an account. Once you've signed up, make sure to activate your account by verifying your email. We'll send you a verification link, so be sure to check your inbox and spam folder, just in case. Verifying your email ensures you'll have full access to the AllAccessTrip platform without any issues. Once you've confirmed and verified your email, you're ready to start booking. As you can see on the platform, we offer a variety of services: hotel bookings, flight tickets, rental cars, activities and tours. Everything is organized and easy to access so you can plan your entire trip in one place. So, let's say you want to book a hotel. You're going to click on Hotel. Enter your destination. Let's say Chicago. Yes, I'll go with Chicago for this example. Let's go to Chicago, and let's say I'm traveling on Friday the 28th. This hotel search is for one adult. And now, I'm going to click Search. As you can see, hotel prices are now loading. The platform is showing options based on what you're looking for. If you're looking for budget-friendly options, Hotel Amber might be a bit too expensive. The price is high because, as you can see, I'm booking for dates that are very close, almost last minute. The best time to book a flight or reserve your hotel is about 1 month before your travel date. Now, as you can see here, we have several hotel options. I'm just going to select one at random. Let's go ahead and click on a room to view more details. These are some really nice hotel options you can choose from. Yeah, that's not a bad hotel at all. If I were in Chicago, I'd definitely consider staying here. So that was a quick walkthrough on how to book hotels using our platform. After that, left-click on Select. Then scroll down to view the available rooms. The room options will show up right here. Now, just choose the room you like. If you want to go with this one, simply click Book Now. Scroll down and enter your information, including your address and other details. We offer a variety of payment options. You can pay with a debit card. Just enter your card details, billing address, and accept the terms. And that's it! Once you make the payment, you'll receive your booking confirmation. By the way, you'll get a confirmation email right after you book your hotel. Now, let me show you how to book flight tickets. We're going to search for a flight from Chicago Airport to Paris CDG. This will be a one-way trip, perfect for someone relocating. Let's say I'm leaving on Saturday, June 28th. So, as you can see, here's the flight ticket options that show up. We have multiple flight tickets listed here. Each one displays different prices. You can also filter by airline or by the number of stops you prefer. Over here, you can choose your cabin class, whether it's business, premium, first class, or whatever you're looking for. You can select your preferred option. And of course, you can filter by airline. Which airline are you looking for? Let's select the airline, choose Delta. After selecting your flight and airline preference, then click Book Now. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details. First and last name, your contact number, date of birth, month, day, and year, gender, male or female, and nationality. Next, you'll need to enter your nationality and the type of ID you'll be using. As you may know, if you're in the United States, you'll need a real ID to travel domestically or internationally, or you can use your passport. If you don't have either of those documents, you might face a long wait at the airport. In some cases, you may not even be able to depart. or your flight might be canceled if you don't have a valid ID or passport. Now, if you have a passport, you'll need to fill in your passport details here. Additionally, we offer flight upgrades and trip protection in case anything goes wrong. With our protection plan, you'll get a refund if needed. We'll pay your money back. Next, we have options like luggage protection and other travel insurance in case anything happens. You can review the terms and conditions of your trip here. Feel free to open and read for more details. Then, enter your billing information and bank card details, including your billing address. Once everything is filled out, you can accept the terms. Click Complete Booking, and you'll receive your confirmation right away. Now, let's move on to renting a car. If you're looking for a rental car, I'll show you how. Let's say I'm heading to Miami. I'll click Miami over here. Once you've selected your destination, you'll see options for car rentals. Now that we're looking for a rental car, let's assume we're picking up the car from the airport on April 30th. We'll set the return date for Friday and plan to drop off the car around 2 p.m. Next, you'll need to confirm the drop-off location, then select the country. Next, choose your age range. Now, click Search and we're ready to look for a car. No matter the type of car you're looking for, it's available in our booking engine. You can find cars of any size, and under car type, you'll be able to select the specific car you're looking for. Next, select the rental agency. You can choose from companies like Budget, Alamo, or Avis. Pick the one you prefer, and then you can filter by price and car features, such as legroom or other amenities. Everything you need is right there for you to choose from. If the car you're looking for doesn't show up, you can search by car type. For example, if you're looking for a full-size car or luxury car, you can filter by those options. When I search for a luxury car, you'll see cars like the BMW and more options appear. If you need more choices, you can scroll to the side to find even more cars to choose from. Once you've selected the car, you can customize your booking by adding any additional drivers or accessories, like a GPS or child seat. After confirming all the details are correct, simply click Book to finalize your reservation. From there, you'll receive a confirmation and all the necessary information for your rental. It's as simple as that. Once you're on the Activities section, enter your destination, let's say Dubai. After entering your destination, click Search. This will bring up a list of activities and experiences available in the area. You can browse through the options, select the ones you want, and continue the booking process, just like with flights, hotels, and rental cars.
Ready to travel smarter? Now that you've seen how AllAccessTrip works and how we help travelers just like you save time, money, and stress, it's time to take the next step. Create your free account today and unlock exclusive deals, real-time support, and personalized travel services designed just for you. Sign up now and save up to 60% on your first booking, whether it's a flight, hotel, airport transfer, or complete travel package. Don't wait. Your next adventure starts here. Create your account now at www.AllAccessTrip.com. Follow us on Instagram at AllAccessTrip and join our travel hub on School for more tips, discounts, and giveaways.